So now we go to another demo. So what I just showed you is the
Wait,
2D.
Wilson,
Sorry.
Mary Joy is raising her hand. Maybe
All
she has
right.
a question.
Mary Joy, go. You're on mute. I'm asking to unmute. Yeah.
Yeah. Mary Joy? Anyway, we can continue first.
Okay. So now you will notice that the dashboard has a tab for 3D map view, right? What I was displaying or sharing with you was the 2D map view. This is a 3D map view. It adds additional functionality. And so let me show you. So this is the you click on 3D, you will be brought here. So right now, this 2D view, you click on this one here to set it to 3D. And then the width of the brushes are too big, so I adjust this here. So the brushes are smaller. You can rotate on 360, 3-axis. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can see the travel pattern as arcs rather than straight lines. You can also filter. So in this case, I just want to show you all the travel to ARMM. So we get rid of all the lines that do not end in the ARMM or BARMM region. Also, when you hover over each line, it should show you additional details. So red denotes the start of the travel and green denotes the end or the destination of the travel. So at each point, you know where people are coming from.
So we can also see that the airports play an important role in this.
I'm not sure where the airports are.
Well, you have Cagayan de Oro,
Yeah.
Jensan. Well, Cotabato also has.
So we see travel. We're not sure how they're traveling from one place to the other. It could be by land or by air.
Land.
Yeah. So here I'm starting to add more regions. So as you can see, as I start to add more regions, there are more lines. And you can see more interconnections. So this is a nice visualization tool for us to show to your decision makers, like, Mayor, we need to have stricter border control between X area and X area. Notice also that I forgot to add the destination city. So not to worry, you can click on that and click destination city. And it should be form part of the pop-up label. You should now see the destination city when you hover over a line. Again, this tool is free. And for as long as I have access to the Facebook data set for good, I will keep on updating this so we can see the travel patterns on a weekly basis.